Hello, today I show you FASEP wheel balancer V688. This wheel balancer can be equipped with 3D scan system. 3D scan system use the sonar for measure side slip and rotundity wheel. Push menu, geometry mode, wheel rotundity, push scan, the sonar check the wheel turn, when cycle is complete, automatically stop the wheel. On the screen appear the value measured with the sonar. The runout this wheel is 0.3 green millimeter, is in the range. The wheel you don't have the problem. When appear the value in red color, the wheel you have runout. Push ESC for measure side slip, push geometry mode, side slip, push scan, the wheel turn, on the screen appear 6 steps. This is the side slip on this wheel. This wheel I have run out in 0.4 millimeter green, it's okay. Out 0.2 millimeter is in the range. The side slip in this wheel is 15 meters for 1 kilometer. Push 1 for memorize the value and repeat the same measure for all wheels. Memorize the 4 wheels, push match, and on the screen appear when position the wheel on the car. Front, right, left and right.